Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair, and we have a 2007 Ford Escape, which client brought in because he thought he was having transmission issues, and come to find out after we test drove, no codes in systems, any systems, no check engine light, test drove. The transmission fluid is definitely dirty and it should be changed, but not a transmission problem at all. We have a certain Ford test drive that we do, and it only works on Fords, but if you do it and you feel a jerking, it is most likely a misfire in the engine. Come to find out, cylinder 3 coil was bad, and on this thing you have to pull the intake to do the spark plugs and coils, so we wound up doing all 6 spark plugs and coils. The spark plugs were original at 120,000 miles, so they need to be done anyway, and now everything's good. So if you do have jerking and stuff on your car, it doesn't mean it's transmission. It could be an engine issue. Thanks.